now is add another div tag inside between the wrapper and this form tag. Okay, but we're going to copy this closing tag, or cut it I should say, and we're going to put it again right below this form. So we have another div that surrounds everything in here. Okay, so I'll just indent that for you so you can see. Press tab. Okay, we'll give this div a class equals login underscore box. Okay, head back to our start.css. Underneath we'll say dot login underscore box, the new div we just created. We'll say position relative. We'll say margin right auto. Margin left, that should be left auto as well. Okay, and that just basically makes it appear in the center. It puts an automatic margin at either side. You'll see that in a minute. Say top 7%. That means it'll appear 7% of the height from the top. Width 35%, and we'll just refresh that to see what we have. Okay, so it's top, that's 7% of the height right there. Okay, now we'll also say background color FF, which is white in hexadecimal. Now I'll refresh that. I'll just see what we have. Okay, looking a little bit better. Border 1px solid, and we'll say what I think I used ed. Okay, with spaces in between them, and then that should give it a border. Yeah, you can just about see it. Okay, and I'll go back. And we don't want the square corners, so we'll say border radius is I don't know, 20 px. Px means pixel. Refresh that, see what I have. Oh no, that's way too much round. Way too round. I'll change that to let's go 7. No, let's go 10. Oh, my bad. Okay, it's a little bit better. Let's tell you what, I will take it down to 7. Let's see how that looks. Not a lot different, but okay, there we go. And we'll also say padding is 5px. See how that's touching right up against the border? Now, if I refresh it, it's got a little bit of a gap, a 5 pixel gap. Okay, now can we change the opacity maybe? Let's say opacity, and this is the number from 0 to 1. Let's say a 0.5. That's going to be way too much, I think, but yeah, okay, way too much. Let's, actually, I think we'll hardly put any on that. I did mine. Let's say 0.98. Okay, yeah, you see, you can just about see the books in the background. Okay, but that's alright. See, this is pretty much just trial and error. You can do what you want with this. You're free to customize it however you want. If you want to leave the rounded corners off, you can do. You're really free to do whatever you want here.